This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is a Leapmotor C10. It's the B10's bigger brother. It's a bit, larger, but also more expensive. But what I want to find out is, do we have more space here? Because in the trunk, it seems to be less space because we cannot open under the trunk. And then there is no frunk here. So yeah, let's find out. Let's show you first under the hood. But look here, even though it doesn't have a frunk, the space here is freaking huge. That's what he said. You could almost fit a banana box in there. Maybe someone needs to make an aftermarket frunk. And in the back here, we actually have a deeper trunk than the B10. But then this solution here doesn't allow you to lower the floor, unlike the B10. So there's a lid here, a split lid with a lid that is hinged on the back there. And then the foam here, I'm not sure how to detach it. It seems to be more or less stuck here. Yeah, there are 4 fasteners here. So we just need to leave it on, more or less like this, or just leave the whole lid on also. But you can recline to get better comfort or go more upright. Let me see. Wait. There, that's the most upright position. Still fairly nice comfort. So we're probably gonna raise it in this position to get the maximum space. Round 1 in the trunk. I could only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whereas the B10 can fit 8 because of the space under here. Yeah, if we could free up this, we could probably fit 2 more maybe. But well, so that's just how it is. And now let's fold the seats. Okay, I put as many boxes as possible in here. And one thing I should point out is that here, okay, it's kind of hard to see, but you see there, we can put 1 box laying down like that. That means that the legroom here is amazing. I also noticed that when I got locked out of the house in Chiang Mai. And I could actually recline quite far, even with the child seat in the back there. So yeah, this car actually seems to have quite good space. You see, I utilize also the sunroof. So, you know, when I kept pushing further and further in, I felt like there was plenty of space there. Yeah, that's what he said. So we need to see now how many boxes could we fit in here. As usual, since we're in Thailand, we have to count in Thai. Yeah, don't worry. Once I'm back in Norway, I will count in Norwegian. How about that? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
26, 27. That is simply amazing. It has the same space, a way more expensive Audi Q6 e-tron or an Xpeng G6. Okay, they're roughly, actually also more expensive. And then 3 more than the B10. And we haven't even utilized the space under the trunk. If I open it up, maybe 28, 29 boxes. Wow, so if you want the best space in Thailand for this money, you should get the C10. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.